Hi, I just bought 2 more panels. These are 2 Canadian Solar 260 watt. An installer I know had some loosies and he gave me a real good price on them. I normally take my panels in every year for the winter and take them out, and my back's getting old. It's getting hard to do that, so I've mounted these permanently. I've used adhesive to put them onto the roof. And this brings up my total to about 2,000 watts going into a 500 watt controller. This is looking east. This is the problem I have. I have shading from the trees and the roof. So these don't hit till later on. And then looking down here, I have this shrub, or whatever you want to call it. It's one of those things that grows at the side of the road. That blocks the panels till about 10:30. And the panels are lying flat, so you can only get about half the output of them. So, yeah, look at trees here. I mean, really, it's not till like October, and you know that's when you really need the power. That the sun drops down enough so they're not partially blocked by branches. This is looking west, you know, trees everywhere. I mean. But that's the reason I can do so much power into a small controller, is I just don't get that much out of the solar panels. These are my extra loose ones. That's for a 36 volt string, and the big ones are 12. I just soon give away the 12 volt panels. You know, they just take up valuable space. I don't have that much space. This is my other roof, totally shaded, you can see. And the panels closest to the camera, those got shade on them right now, so it's a very poor performing system, but it works with a lot of panels. I have only a car battery, and I need to generate everything real time, and I've forced the system not to go anywhere below a 10% charge on the battery. So that's it. You go more solar panels and only one battery, and that works for me. Better to put your money into panels and instead of batteries, which are just going to go bad. Using them only partially of the year, you know, they just sulfate. But yeah, that's my system. Thanks for watching.